Hold on. My cheeks be moving. Jumping, 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 jumping. It's Corian the Bee. Jumping, 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 jumping. Hold on.
Hey guys, so apart from eating healthily, I'm still on a weight gain journey. So this is a breakfast, just a little bowl of oatmeal with blueberries, strawberries and chia with a little dollop of peanut butter. I might put some honey or something on there, I'm not sure yet, but because I've got so much, look at this pancake with blueberries and some strawberries as well. 2 big giant pancake with lots of maple syrup, so I might just use some of the maple syrup on here. But I'm gonna have both of these right now, and a cup of cappuccino with cinnamon on top. I already took my liquid tonic. This is what's helping me to get my appetite naturally. You guys, if you want, you can just look it up, I think, or find it locally, but this helps to give me appetite, and it's helping with my anemia because I've got low iron and vitamin D. So I'm trying to eat balanced and healthy at the same time, but I'm trying to add calories, guys. We have to add all them calories naturally. And as I said, this can be a vegan, vegetarian, and whatever you're on, but we can get the gains whichever way possible. So I'm gonna eat this and then eat that and then drink that and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm gonna show you guys different stuff I'm eating, so keep watching. Ooh, this looks super good though. Let me give you guys a close up of the berries and the chia seeds. I love peanut butter or anything crunchy with my oatmeal. It just gives it a nice taste. And these pancakes are gonna go down a treat. Yes, yummy yum. But I definitely needed this. This is so warming and comforting with that little sprinkle of cinnamon on top, and you can even add nutmeg. I've got even all of that in here already. Cinnamon, nutmeg has to be in my oatmeal or it's not tasting good enough. But let me continue and see you guys after this. A quick way to make a yummy rice bowl. We get some veggies and crispy onions. So I've got carrots, cucumbers, lettuce and avocados. Then we're going to add some rice to the bowl and fill it up. We add the rice, we add the chicken pieces, tempura fried, add some sweet chili or your favorite sauce. Then you add your vegetables. Mix it a little bit together and there you have a yummy, yummy rice bowl. So I made oatmeal, and this is so good with some peanut butter on top, maple syrup or whatever you want to put with it, honey, you know, whatever you want. This is so good for weight gaining and tastes amazing. Try it out. I'm having this as a snack just before my dinner. You could have it for breakfast, wherever, whatever time. It is so good. Yum. So this is what it looks like. Super yummy. I'm gonna pour it in this little cup for him. You can even have this thicker and just have some fruits on top. So good.
What we do here is go back.